Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Java provides a robust way to handle time zones through the java.time package, which was introduced in Java 8. This package includes classes that help manage date and time in a time zone aware manner. Understanding time zones in Java. Key classes *. 1. ZoneDdatetime represents a date time with a time zone. 2. ZoneID represents the ID of a time zone. 3. ZoneOffset represents a time zone offset from UTC/Greenwich. Getting the user's time zone. You can retrieve the user's default time zone using zoneid.systemdefault. This will give you the time zone set on the user's machine. Example code. Here's a simple example that demonstrates how to get the user's time zone and display the current date and time in that time zone. Explanation of the code. 1. Import statements. We import necessary classes from java.time. 2. Zoneid.systemdefault. This method retrieves the default time zone set on the user's machine. 3. ZoneDdatetime.now, user time zone. This retrieves the current date and time in the specified time zone. 4. Datetime formatter. We create a formatter to format the date time in a more readable way. 5. Output. Finally, we print the user's time zone and the current date and time formatted with the time zone. Running the code. Compile and run the code in a Java environment. You should see output similar to additional information. You can also list all available time zones using zoneid.getAvailableZoneids. For time zone conversions, you can use methods like zoneDdatetime.withZoneSameInstant, zoneid, to convert between different time zones. Always be cautious about daylight saving time changes when dealing with time zones, as times can shift depending on the date. Conclusion. Handling time zones in Java is straightforward with the java.time package. By using zoneDdatetime and zoneid, you can effectively manage and display date and time information tailored to the user's locale. This is particularly important for applications that are used across different regions with varying time settings.